Okay, a couple other commands we're going to do. I'm going to clear the screen and I'm going to type in the word clear. I'm going to introduce you to some commands that we're going to create directories and change directories. So we're going to keep the file directory opened up so we're able to see the changes as they happen in the GUI environment as we type them in the command environment. So first command I want to introduce is basically make directory. So it's mkdir. And then we'll do a new folder and we'll name that folder called data. And we'll come over here and you notice that we did create a folder called data. Now we're still in the home folder here because when we do an ls, and let's do a long list, you can see that we have created that particular folder. Now to get into that particular folder, what we'll type in is cd, short for change directory, and then we'll type in data. So now you notice that the command prompt also changed to identify that we are in the data folder. And once again, if I just simply do ls, there's nothing there. ls-l, also you notice that there's nothing there. Now to get back to my actual home directory at the command prompt, what I could do is just type in cd and off I go back to the home location. Once again, I'll just type in ls-l to identify that I'm at my home directory. Alright, next we're going to create a file in the data folder through the File Explorer. We'll go into data, we'll right click and say new document, and we'll say empty document. You notice it creates a file called untitled document. And what we're going to do is we're going to double click in there. So we're going to get into a text editor and we'll just simply type in something very basic. This is my resume, and we'll close the window down. We'll save it and close it. And the other thing we'll do is we're going to highlight the name and we're going to rename it to resume. Okay. Now we're going to go back to our terminal. We're going to go cd data. We're going to do ls. And you notice that we have a file called resume. And now we're going to introduce you to yet another command called cat. So we're going to type in cat and then resume. You notice that when I typed in cat, something did not work. Well, here's the reason why. You notice that, again, case sensitivity matters when we're in Linux. So let's try this command again with cat, and then we'll type in resume with a capital R. And you notice that it basically identified what was inside the text file without actually opening up any kind of program. So again, the command called cat, if we look at the man pages for cat, so you notice that cat is short for concatenate, and you notice we do have a whole bunch of different options for this as well. And that is just basically a nifty command that we'll be utilizing throughout the session to view information in files as well as future labs.